Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring and marking the center and circumference precisely. Accuracy here prevents crooked numbers later. Lay a paper template or use a compass to divide the circle into 12 equal sections, then test fit your chosen numerals or molds without adhesive. Once done, adjust spacing and orientation. Make sure each number aligns radially toward the center. Pressing a temporary guide keeps placement consistent when you pour or glue, so don't skip this step. Now you attach the numbers. Choose a compatible adhesive. Clear epoxy or a small dab of resin works well for resin clock faces. Apply a thin, even layer to the back of each numeral and position it on the guide. Use toothpicks or small clamps to hold them upright. Once done, remove any adhesive squeeze out immediately with a cotton swab and solvent. Make sure to cure in a dust-free area. Curing time varies, so follow resin instructions to avoid movement or bubbles. Finish by sealing. Pour a thin resin layer or spray a clear coat to create a flush, even surface and protect numbers. Once cured, mount the clock movement and test the hands to ensure they clear the numerals. Rotate manually to check for rubbing. If a number lifts or sits crooked, remove the hand assembly, re-glue or gently sand the base to level, then reseal that area. One key troubleshooting tip: if bubbles form under numbers, warm the surface slightly with a heat gun and pop bubbles before full cure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.